Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Rogue's oil. First, gather your supplies. New oil, a new oil filter, a drain pan, and a wrench. Drive your Rogue for a few minutes to warm the engine, then park on a level surface. Place the drain pan under the oil pan, then carefully remove the drain plug. Let all the old oil drain out completely. Once the old oil has drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it securely. Now, locate your oil filter, usually on the side of the engine. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, being ready for any residual oil. Take your new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket, and then screw it on by hand until it's snug. Give it about an additional 1/4 turn with the wrench. Now it's time to add the fresh oil. Refer to your Nissan Rogue's owner's manual for the exact oil type and the correct capacity, which is typically around 8 quarts for many models. Slowly pour the new oil into the engine's oil fill cap. After adding most of the oil, wait a few minutes for it to settle, then check the level using the dipstick. Add more if necessary, ensuring it's between the minimum and maximum marks. With the new oil in, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes. This allows the fresh oil to circulate throughout the system. While it's running, carefully check under the vehicle for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Finally, remember to reset your oil maintenance light. The procedure for this is usually found in your owner's manual, ensuring your vehicle tracks its next service correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.